In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use screenshot feature of Excel. If you've ever needed to drop a quick image of another app or web page right into your workbook, maybe to document a process, show a dashboard, or capture a chart, this built-in tool lets you do it without leaving Excel. Start by opening the workbook where you want the image to appear and make sure the window you plan to capture is already open on your computer. It doesn't have to be in front, but it shouldn't be minimized. Excel only lists windows that are open. Having your target window arranged and visible will make this go smoothly. Now, look to the ribbon at the top of Excel and go to the Insert tab. This is where Excel keeps tools for bringing external content into your sheet. Think of the Insert tab as your one-stop shop for adding objects, pictures, and, in our case, screenshots. Next, select the Screenshot option. When you click it, Excel shows a gallery of available windows. These are live previews of other open applications on your device. If you don't see the window you want, bring that app to the desktop and try again. Keeping your workspace tidy and the right window visible ensures Excel can grab it. From the gallery, simply click the thumbnail of the window you want to capture. Excel instantly places a snapshot of that entire window into your worksheet at the current cursor location. This capture is a static image taken at the moment you click, so be sure any sensitive information is hidden before you take it. The image arrives as a picture object, which means you can move it by dragging, resize it from the corners to keep proportions, and position it exactly where you want on the grid. If the image is larger than your sheet view, zoom out a bit so you can comfortably place and size it. A couple of practical tips as you work. Position your cursor roughly where you want the image to land before taking the screenshot, so it drops close to the target area. If the result looks too busy, consider simplifying the source window first. Close pop-ups or collapse sidebars. Then capture again for a cleaner insert. For clear reports, align the image with the cell grid and leave consistent margins, which makes the worksheet easier to read and print. That's it. Go to Insert, choose Screenshot, and pick the window you want. With this quick workflow, you can document processes, share visuals, and enrich your spreadsheets in just a few clicks.